So I just got my N100 Stealth respirator mask in the mail, and it has the upgrades that I was hoping it would have. So this is my old one, and as you can see here, you take these covers off. It has a filter for dust, and it's pretty dirty. You could tell that it actually gets the dust out when you're sucking air in, and that's what you want it to do is basically filter out that air that you're breathing in and out. But the one thing that I didn't like was the strap was a little chintzy. It just didn't really hold to my face the way that I wanted it to. So I went ahead and I got the new one. I looked online and I noticed that the straps were a little different. It had stealth embroidered on the straps, and it looked like it was a little bit more heavy duty. And sure enough, when I got it out of the packaging, you could tell that the straps were a lot better. So um, I liked it enough to get another one, and I would recommend that if you're doing woodworking or if you're doing wood turning and you get a lot of dust in the air, you want to wear some type of a respirator to protect your lungs, and this is the mask that I recommend. So that's it. That's the comparison there. But I hope you liked the review, and I would definitely recommend getting some sort of mask. If you can, get this one. It's cheap. I think it's like 25, $30. That's it. So thanks for watching. And how do I turn this thing off?